Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Power BI for Sport tutorial, and this week we're going to look at a data merge within Power Query. This was a question I was asked recently and I thought it would just be easier to create a video, so here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to look at combining two data sources to add some more information onto our primary data source. Before we get going, if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit like below, hit subscribe as well if you haven't already, and if you really enjoy the video, make sure to share it on your social media platforms for others that might be interested. So what we're going to do is get straight into it. We're going to jump into transform data at the top here. And all we're going to do is look at adding in some more information here into our load data table to find out what kind of training day it was. So in one of my previous videos, you would have seen that I had this column in here. And we were able to see if it was a strength day, an endurance day, things like that. So I've split that apart for this video to give you an idea. I'll show you how to do this, where we have a unique day and what the training type was on that day. So you'll see here, 27th of the 1st, we have a strength day. So in BI, what we can do is we can use just the relationship to combine that. But say if you were wanting to add this into other data sources and you want to make it, you want to be able to find it very easily, you can merge queries. So that's what we're going to do today, is do a little merge. So we just go into the top here while we're on home, combine and merge queries, and you'll get this window appear. And all you need to do is you've got your table which you're wanting to merge to, and you find your secondary table. So here we've got our training days table, and all you're going to do is hit date, because in this example we're just going to combine on date. And at the bottom here it'll give you an idea of how many rows are going to match from one table to the other. In other examples, if you say had a training day by day and by athlete, so you could see what an athlete was doing on a given day, if you hold down Control, you can select extra columns, and that gives you a number 1, 2, 3. So that's sort of the order, or the order you need to click in your second column, so your second table. So if I do the same thing down here, you'll get a number 2 in there. So for this example, we're just using the one date column. So if we just click OK, it'll merge the two queries together, but it'll add it as a table on the end here. And all you need to do is click sort of these split arrows in the top right here, and you're going to choose which columns you want to keep. So you can keep both if you really want to, but we just need the training day, or the training type. Hit OK, and then now it's there. And you'll be able to scroll down, you'll see everything, and it'll match up with the dates on the left. Then all you need to do, hit close and apply, and your data set will be updated. So what we can do here, we'll just go into the back into our data tab, we'll hit on load data, and off to the right here we'll be able to see what kind of training day you had. So if we click this, we can find all our days. An endurance day, for example, are here. So that's one simple way of being able to merge two queries in Power BI. It's nice built-in functionality that Power BI have within Power Query. And you can use this to combine any kind of information between two tables that you would like in a single data set as such. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like below and subscribe for future videos where we will continue to power performance through data. Thank you.